Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope you will be fine and you are enjoying this online session. Firstly, I welcome the students of 9th class in the system of KPS schools. It's a time to learn mathematics in which we have started unit number 1, which is named as matrices and determinants. In the previous lectures we have discussed matrix is a formation of a collection of real numbers which are enclosed in brackets, and we also have discussed how to find the determinant of a given matrix. Today we will learn about the solutions of the linear equations. Solutions of simultaneous linear equations. These are a set of equations in two or more variables for which there are values that can satisfy all the equations simultaneously. Here we take two equations which are ax plus by equal to m and cx plus dy equal to n. हम यहाँ पे दो इक्वेशंस कंसीडर करेंगे. इन दीज इक्वेशंस x and y are the unknown variables and the values of x and y must satisfy these two equations. And a, b, c, d, m and n are real numbers here. We can also say that two linear equations in two variables taken together are called simultaneous linear equation. And the solution of the system of simultaneous linear equation is the ordered pair. इसमें हम जो x और y की वैल्यू फाइंड करेंगे वो एक पेयर में फाइंड करेंगे और ये पेयर इन दोनों इक्वेशंस को सेटिस्फाई करना चाहिए, which satisfy both the linear equations. This system is also called simultaneous linear equations. Now I will explain some methods for solving these linear equations. Simultaneous linear equations को solve करने के हम यहाँ पे two methods discuss करेंगे. First one is matrix inversion method and the second is Cramer's rule. Firstly, I will explain matrix inversion method. In this method, we will consider the system of linear equations. These two equations are ax plus by equal to m and cx plus dy equal to n. From the right hand side, we will separate the real numbers a, b, c and d in the first matrix, and we write unknown variables x and y in the second matrix. And on the right hand side, we will write the real numbers m and n in the bracket, which is equal to ax equal to b. Here A is a matrix with the elements a, b, c and d. X is a matrix with the elements small x and y, and b is a matrix with the elements m and n. From equation number 1 we can write x equal to a inverse b as equation 1 equal to ax equal to b. जब हम a को अदर साइड पे मूव करेंगे then a will become a inverse, and the determinant of matrix A will give us AD minus BC. We know that the inverse of A is equal to adjoint of A over determinant of A. We will put this formula in this equation, which will give us x equal to adjoint of A over determinant of A multiply B. Here we have to put all these values. In the left hand side, we will write the elements of the matrix X, which are x and y, and in the right hand side we have to take the adjoint of matrix A. जैसा कि हमने previous lectures में डिस्कस किया था, किसी भी मैट्रिक्स का एडजॉइंट लेने के लिए हम डायगोनल प्लेस पे जो भी एलिमेंट्स हैं उनको इंटरचेंज कर देते हैं और बाकी सारे एलिमेंट्स के साइन चेंज करते हैं. So the adjoint of A will give us the matrix with the elements D minus B minus C and A. After this we will write the value of the determinant of A, which is equal to AD minus BC, and then we will multiply the elements of the matrix B, which are m and n. Now the matrices in the numerator are multiplied firstly. First of all, the first row of first matrix is multiplied with the first column of second matrix, which will give us dm minus bn, and is divided by denominator, which is AD minus BC. Similarly, second row of first matrix is multiplied with the first column of second matrix, which will give us minus Cm plus An, and is divided by the denominator, which is AD minus BC. Now we will compare the corresponding elements on both sides, which will give us the values of x and y. So we get the value of x as dm minus bn over AD minus BC, and the value of y equal to An minus Cm over AD minus BC. In this way we can find the values of x and y. Both these values must satisfy the given equation. Now we will solve the first question from exercise 1.6. In this question we have to use the matrices if possible to solve the following system of linear equations by the matrix inversion method and the Cramer's rule. But firstly we will solve this question by using the matrix inversion method. Two equations are given as 2x minus 2y equal to 4 and 3x plus 2y equal to 6. We have to find the values of x and y. First of all, we will write these equations in the matrix form. From the left hand side, we will separate the real numbers and write in a matrix which has the elements 2, minus 2, 3 and 2. In the second matrix, we will write the unknown variables x and y, and on the right hand side, we will write the other real numbers which are 4 and 6. It can also be written as Ax equal to b, where A equal to first matrix, x equal to second matrix and b equal to third matrix. X can also be written as A inverse b. A का inverse find करने के लिए we need to find the determinant of matrix A and the adjoint of matrix A. First of all, we will find the determinant of matrix A. For this, we will write the elements of matrix A in determinant form. Here, the elements at the diagonal places are multiplied firstly, which will give us 2 into 2. Then we will apply minus sign, and after these other two elements are multiplied, which are minus 2 into 3. By solving these terms, we can write 4 plus 6 which is equal to 10. So the determinant of matrix A is equal to 10. Now we have to find the adjoint of matrix A. मैट्रिक्स A का एडजॉइंट फाइंड करने के लिए हम डायगोनल प्लेसेस पे जो भी एलिमेंट्स हैं उनको इंटरचेंज कर देते हैं और बाकी सारे एलिमेंट्स की हम प्लेसेस चेंज करते हैं. इन दिस वे वी गेट द एडजॉइंट ऑफ मैट्रिक्स A विद द एलिमेंट्स 2, 2 minus 3 and 2. Now we will put both these values in the formula of A inverse. For finding the value of x, we will write x equal to adjoint of A over determinant of A into B. In the numerator, we will write the adjoint of matrix A which has the elements 2, 2 minus 3, 2. After this, we will write the value of the determinant of A which is equal to 10, and then the elements of the matrix B are multiplied, which are 4 and 6. Now the matrices in the numerator are multiplied firstly. It can be written as 1 over 10 into first row of first matrix is multiplied with the first column of second matrix, which will give us 2 multiply 4 plus 2 multiply 6. After this, second row of first matrix is multiplied with the first column of second matrix, which will give us minus 3 multiply 4 plus 2 multiply 6. By solving these terms, we can write 1 over 10 into elements of the matrix 8 plus 12 and minus 12 plus 12, which will give us 1 over 10 into matrix with the elements 20 and 0. Now 10 is divided by all the terms in the matrix, so we can write it as 20 by 10 and 0 by 10. By dividing these terms, we will get the next matrix with the elements 2 and 0. Here we compare both the sides, which will give us the values of x and y. In this way, we get the value of x equal to 2 and the value of y equal to 0. Both these values satisfy the given equations. Now we will discuss Cramer's rule. In this rule, we consider the system of linear equations which are ax plus by equal to m and cx plus dy equal to n. इसमें भी हम दो इक्वेशंस को कंसीडर करेंगे. These equations can be written in the matrix form. In the first matrix, we separate the real numbers a, b, c and d, and in the second matrix we will write the unknown variables x and y, and on the right hand side we will write the remaining real numbers which are m and n. It can also be written as ax equal to b, where a equal to first matrix, x equal to second matrix and b equal to third matrix. We know that x can be written as A inverse b and the determinant of A equal to AD minus BC. यहाँ हम A इनवर्स का फार्मूला राइट करेंगे विच इज इक्वल टू एडजॉइंट ऑफ A ओवर डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ A and all other terms are written as it is. Here we put the values of all the terms as the matrix X has the elements X and Y and the adjoint of matrix A has the elements D minus B minus C and A. In the denominator we will write determinant of A as it is and the matrix B is multiplied which has the elements M and N. Now the matrices in the numerator are multiplied firstly, which will give us the terms dm minus bn and minus cm plus an. In the denominator we will write determinant of A as it is. Now determinant of A is divided by all the terms in the matrix, which will give us the elements as dm minus bn over determinant of A and minus cm plus an over determinant of A. By comparing both sides we can write the value of x as dm minus bn over determinant of A. It can also be written as x equal to determinant of ax over determinant of A. यहाँ पे ax means that we have to write the value of the matrix B in the first column of matrix A. Matrix A की अगर first column में हम matrix B की values write कर दें और second column as it is लिख दें, then we will get the matrix Ax and we will get the value of y as an minus cm over determinant of A. Similarly, y can be written as determinant of ay over determinant of A. ay मैट्रिक्स को हम ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं अगर मैट्रिक्स A में हम सेकेंड कॉलम में मैट्रिक्स B की वैल्यू राइट कर दें and all other terms are written as it is, so we get the matrix ay, where the determinant of Ax equal to determinant with the elements M, B, N and D. Here M, N in the first column are the values of the matrix B. Similarly in Ay, second column has the values of the matrix B which are M and N. Here we will solve a question by using a Cramer rule. In this question two equations are given, 2x minus 2y equal to 4 and 3x plus 2y equal to 6. These equations can be written in the matrix form. By separating the real numbers from left hand side we can write the first matrix with the elements 2, minus 2, 3 and 2. And in the second matrix we will write the unknown variables which are x and y. And in the third matrix we will write the values on the right hand side which are 4 and 6. Here we separate the matrices with the name. First matrix is called matrix A. Now we have to write matrix Ax. जब हम मैट्रिक्स Ax राइट करेंगे तो हम मैट्रिक्स A की फर्स्ट कॉलम को स्किप करके वहाँ पे हम मैट्रिक्स B के एलिमेंट्स राइट करेंगे विच आर 4 and 6 और मैट्रिक्स A के सेकेंड कॉलम को हम एज इट इज़ राइट कर देंगे विच हैज़ द एलिमेंट्स -2 and 2. सिमिलरली व्हेन वी राइट मैट्रिक्स Ay तो हम मैट्रिक्स A का फर्स्ट कॉलम एज इट इज़ राइट करेंगे विच हैज़ एलिमेंट्स 2 and 3 और मैट्रिक्स A के सेकेंड कॉलम को स्किप करके हम मैट्रिक्स B के एलिमेंट्स राइट करेंगे विच आर 4 and 6. इन दिस वे वी कैन फाइंड द मैट्रिक्स Ax एंड मैट्रिक्स Ay. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड द डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ मैट्रिक्स A. फॉर दिस वी राइट द एलिमेंट्स ऑफ मैट्रिक्स A इन डिटर्मिनेंट्स फॉर्म एंड multiply the elements at the diagonal places which will give us 2 multiply 2. Then we will apply minus sign and in the last we will multiply other two terms which are -2 and 3. By solving these terms we can write 4 plus 6 which is equal to 10. So the determinant of matrix A is equal to 10. X की वैल्यू फाइंड करने के लिए we will write determinant of Ax over determinant of A. It can also be written as elements of the matrix Ax in determinant form and in the denominator we will write the determinant of matrix A which is equal to 10. Now by solving the numerator we can write 8 plus 12. The elements at the diagonal places are multiplied firstly and then the other two terms are multiplied which will give us 8 plus 12. By solving these terms we can write 20 over 10 which is equal to 2. So the value of x equal to 2. Similarly, we can write y equal to determinant of ay over determinant of a, which can also be written as elements of the matrix ay in determinant form, and in the denominator we will write the value of determinant of a, which is equal to 10. The elements at the diagonal places are multiplied firstly, and then the other terms are multiplied, which will give us 12 minus 12. By solving these terms we will get 0, which is the value of y. In this way you can find the values of x and y which satisfies the given equation by using both these methods. Now you have to solve these questions. I hope you will give your best. Thanks to all of you for your cooperation. Allah Hafiz.